we are in the last part of this Figma file. So here all these are done, just working with the Shopify, the footer section. So here we have to take like 1 2 3 4 section. So 4 section we need to one container, then we have taken another container inside it, and this container we will take the 4 column. So there are 4 columns inside the container, and we will give some padding here. And the first container, there is the logo and some text. So we have to take images, then we have the text, and the second will be blank, and third will be first the header, and the second is bullet text, and same as the fourth one, the text and the bullet list. Okay, this one we have taken the headline 1, so we have to take this one headline 2. So this is the footer section. Now we have to add the logo here. Okay, we have to make this container is the same color of the top one. So here color, then we have taken this color. Logo is coming too much big, so make it small, like 150, and height will be 56. Then make it wrap, and below image we have to make a padding 120. Then this one we will make it white color, and this also. Okay, we can take the style. We have to make it first checking the pop-ins, and other text is 20. Okay, then we have to copy this text style from here, copy style, then paste style, paste style. So now we can change the text is 26, this one also the 26, and this pages link will do like this. We don't need the icons, so we will delete those things, and the list item we will take the colors and the typography. Then we can just copy this item, copy style, and put it to here, paste. And if you want to clickable this one, so you need to go to the config, interaction on the click. When you click, then it is redirect to that page and save it, so it will be clickable. Same as before, we just paste it. Paste the styles. And for these items we need some padding on the left and also the right, so it will be good for your mobile devices also. If you do not put the right side, then it will not show. And this one, as we have given the 10 pixel, is not on the middle side. If you need to add the top also, then we can put it like that. The same thing here, we need to give some padding, 30. So everywhere will be 30. So this is how to create an Figma file to Replo convert. Thank you so much. We will see in the next video. Thank you.